in San Francisco for Mind the Product. The best conference ever. I love this conference.
Mind the Product is the biggest product management conference in the world. It's an awesome opportunity to finally get out of the building, meet other product managers, and learn from their experiences.
We're here to learn from the best of the best, to understand how to really lead our product and make it better.
It's a chance to come into a different city, meet a bunch of people who come from different backgrounds, and realize, we're all working on the same thing together.
Mind the Product for me has been my favorite conference ever. It's like my people who do my craft, it's my community.
We're social animals. We don't get things done well when we're, put off in a box by ourselves. We need to feel like we're not alone.
Here, people can share experiences and help each other kind of break through and move forward where they might otherwise be stuck.
The stage is phenomenal.
It's an amazing experience to be on the stage here. Honestly, I got goosebumps.
It's just a beautiful building. It's amazing to stand up there and look out and see everybody and to know that they're all my product people.
It's been amazing just to feel all the energy and just feel the passion that everyone has for this.
We've been sending people here for years. We learn a lot every time. We bring a lot of excitement back to the company every time, and super excited about how it's going so far.
I like the diversity of the panel, so you get a bunch of diverse, different ideas.
I met a lot of really skilled, talented people, learned so much, and I can't wait to take it back.
I think the product community really recognizes how much of a developing craft product is, and that people really just want to come together and learn from the best.
It is really a great conference. The speakers were absolutely amazing. The party here has just been phenomenal. It's been a wonderful experience.
It's a lot of people and a lot of diverse opinions, and I think it's contributed to a really good conversation overall.
I think it was a really good combination of amazing talks where you could learn things that are actionable as well as things that were inspiring. I will definitely be back next year.